The best definition of empathy I've ever heard is putting on another person's shoes, walking around in them, and experiencing the world from their perspective. Why am I telling you this? Because this April, I have the honor of facilitating 3 sessions of my Equity, Empathy, and Your Role as an Ally workshop for the Henry Ford leadership team. During these sessions, we'll use a unique paradigm of insiders and outsiders to define equity and to discuss specific steps we can take to create more equitable environments. We'll also define allyship, describe specific ways we can serve as allies to our colleagues, and discuss the role empathy plays in creating psychological safety. So join me on April 1st or April 2nd when we will have a great conversation about equity, empathy, and your role as an ally.